Now that you already have a solid understanding of nodes and how workflows come together, it is time to look at one final part of Spaces: sharing and collaboration. Once a project is built, you can share it, leave feedback directly on the canvas, and work with teammates or clients without leaving Spaces. With a finished space open, we can now see how that collaboration works. On the left sidebar, you'll find tools like sticky notes and draw. Sticky notes are useful for quick reminders or simple instructions. For example, you could place one next to an image and write something like, "Remember to change the color of the trousers as discussed." In that same area, draw lets you make more visual annotations. You can sketch by hand, erase, use simple shapes like arrows, or even leave small stickers when a visual reaction is enough. These tools are helpful when you want to mark something quickly on the canvas itself. But when you want a clearer back and forth conversation, the most useful option is comments. Once it is selected, you can click anywhere in the space and leave a comment tied to that exact point. Click where you want to comment, and a small field appears with Add a Comment. Write the message you need, then click the arrow in the lower right to save it. For example, on the image where the girl is wearing the white blouse, we might write, "Just change the color of the blouse." Once saved, the comment stays pinned directly on the canvas, showing who left it. Collaborators can open the thread, reply to it, and keep the discussion connected to that exact element of the project. And if you need to remove a comment, just switch back to Select, hover over it, and delete it. There is also another useful way to manage comments. When you click Comments in the sidebar, a panel opens on the right. From there, you can search through comments, which becomes especially useful when the conversation grows or when several people are involved. You can also switch between All, Open, and Resolved, which helps you review the full history of feedback and keep track of what still needs attention. Now let's look at sharing. At the top right of the interface, you'll find the Share button. When you click it, the Share This Space window opens. Inside, you'll see the invite link for the space you are working on, together with a permission selector. There are two main options here. Can View means the other person can open the space and review it, but cannot make changes. Can Edit means they can work inside the space, make changes, and use the collaboration tools we just saw. Once you've chosen the permission level, click Copy Invite Link and send it to whoever needs access. Just below, you'll also find the People with Access section. This lets you see exactly who can enter the space, including the owner and any collaborators, together with their current roles. Between the invite link, permission settings, and comments, Spaces gives you a clear and practical way to review work and collaborate directly inside the project. We hope you now feel ready to start creating your own spaces. There's still a lot more to explore in Academy. See you there.